and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen making some crab fried rice with shrimp. I asked you guys, did you want crab fried rice or did you want crab fried rice with shrimp? And you said both, so I'm gonna show you sort of kind of how to do both, okay? So for those of you who are already subscribers, thank you for your comments and let me know what it is you want to cook, and thanks for coming back. For those of you who are new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you can see all of my different recipes, learn some tips on cooking and all that goes on within the kitchen, okay? So first thing we're going to do is show you the ingredients. Okay, so it is crab fried rice. First thing we need is some crab. I've got it's just crab meat, okay? And we're gonna have shrimp. So I have some clean and deveined shrimp. I've got some rice, which was leftover rice and refrigerated. Make sure when you're doing this, you have cold rice, okay? I have soy sauce, sesame seed oil, same thing, some salt and pepper, and some minced garlic, okay? Then I have bean sprouts. I like bean sprouts in my fried rice. I have two different types, well, not two different types, I just cut them different, but I have green onions, one that I'm gonna cook with and one that I'm gonna use to decorate. And since I'm using these to decorate, I cut them in a little fancy way. So let me see, can you see it? Oh, it's coming apart. Let me see. Okay, they're kind of like a diamond shape. You see that? But anyway, these are to decorate, these are to cook, all right? And then I just have a regular diced onion as well. But I also have my carrots, which I already ground up. I have 2 eggs, and that's it. So let me get everything ready and I'll be back. So the first thing I want to do is cook my shrimp. So I'm gonna just add a little sesame oil to the skillet and let that heat up. While that's heating up, I'm gonna add a little salt and a little pepper to my shrimp. Mix that up. I'm gonna add my shrimp. Cook them for about 30 seconds on each side, and then I'm going to set them aside. I want you guys to see this crab. Look how big and chunky this crab is. Just about 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna flip them. You see that color? You see how quick they cook? And while they're doing that, I really just want to heat up my crab a little. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my crab meat in there. That's a lot of crab meat. I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm just gonna use half of it. I'm gonna break up this crab meat. A little bit more. Uh-oh, well, that's almost all of it. Just a little bit more. Okay. And I don't want to cook the crab too much. I just want to kind of heat it up a little. Plus those shrimp are done. Let's go ahead and start pulling those out. This is going to cook a little bit more once we put it in the rice, so we don't want to overcook it. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to put this in the bowl with the shrimp and just, it will be done. Just add this to this bowl. So remember I told you I had a regular onion too, and I diced it very small. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this onion cook, put a little bit more sesame oil in the skillet, let that heat up. Let me turn it on. Let's get this mixed up around in here first. Let that heat up. I'm using induction heat, so it heats up really fast, okay? So we're gonna do our onions first, and while that's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and scramble my eggs. There we go. So let's go ahead, we're gonna add our onions first. See that sizzle? It didn't take but a second for it to heat up. That's what I love about the induction heat. It's fast, okay? And might as well add our carrots. I just want to add a little bit more oil to this. I only need it to cook for a little while. So after that's been in there for maybe 1 minute, I'm going to go ahead and add my eggs. Scramble that up real good. And then remember I told you I wanted my rice to be ice cold, just really cold. So I've got my cold rice. I'm gonna add some more oil. And then I'm gonna add my rice. I don't know why leftover rice is the best, but that's what I've always learned about cooking fried rice, is that you always use leftover rice and make sure that it's cold. So let's mix this really well. Break up any lumps that's in there. I've got a few lumps. I think I've got all my lumps out. Next, we're going to add a little bit of garlic, minced garlic. Stir that up in there. There's another lump. Time to add some soy sauce. We're going to add our green onions, the ones that I said that we were going to cook with. Oh, it's smelling good. It's smelling good. And here just want just a little bit more soy sauce. Okay, now let's add our meat. Got a nice big bowl of all of this. Look at this. Oh. Mix that crab in so you get crab with every bite. I'm just gonna keep stirring. I wanna add some salt and pepper. Don't need much salt because our soy sauce is salty, okay? All right, I'm gonna turn the heat off of this and add my bean sprouts because I really don't want to cook the bean sprouts. I just want to incorporate them in there. So let's turn this off. Then we're gonna add some bean sprouts. And I'm ready to plate it. See how easy that was? How quick that was? Now, if I had not put the shrimp in there, then it would have just been crab fried rice. So you can eliminate the shrimp if you like and just have crab fried rice. Or you could eliminate the crab and have shrimp fried rice. Or you can even eliminate the shrimp and the crab and just have some plain fried rice. Some egg fried rice. All right, let's get a plate and we're gonna taste it. So here's our fried rice. And remember I told you I had these other green onions for decoration. So I wanna put some of these on here just for decoration. Put a few on there, I don't wanna put too many. You know me, presentation is everything. So I just wanna put a few of these on here. And there we go. Crab and shrimp fried rice. Now we gotta taste it because it smells amazing. Had to get my chopsticks. So, I wanna try it just with the crab first. You know, it seems like it's almost as much crab in here as it is rice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I love crab meat. I love seafood. So, seafood, crab, seafood, crab, and shrimp fried rice. What should I call it? Should I call it seafood fried rice? Should I call it crab fried rice with shrimp? Shrimp fried rice with crab? Y'all come down, y'all let me know. I think I'm gonna call it crab fried rice with shrimp. So let's taste one of these shrimp. Look how big these shrimp are. That's a big shrimp. That's more this rice. This is good, y'all. So, there you have it. I know this is expensive in the restaurants. It wasn't expensive to make. Make sure you get in your kitchen, make some of this, save you some money, and enjoy some good cooking. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.